What's up, guys, and welcome back to Cop Entertainment. The police have been going up and about, and they've been closing all foreign-owned Spaza shops that were not following the regulations. It's like they've been on an Operation Vala, Yonke amaForeign-owned Spaza shops. However, not everyone is happy with this operation. Ngavuto Mabena is one person who is not happy out there. He said instead of closing down Spaza shops, we must close down Spar, ShopRite, Checkers, Pick and Pay, etc. Establish community supermarkets. Big supermarkets are happy when we close down Spaza shops, as this eliminates competition. So he is saying, Mabena, when you close down these foreign-owned Spaza shops, everyone is going to be buying to these big supermarkets, so they get happy. So in other words, he's saying we shouldn't shut down these Spaza shops. That's the point that he is putting across there. Unfortunately, these Spaza shops are not following the regulations, and that's why they were shut down or are being shut down currently, because they are not following the regulations. So tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.